Okay, we are planning for a future house. We're doing green on the outside, black roof, and I am going back to the 90s and bringing in the jewel tones, okay? Whoa, for a pop of color, I may, if you wanted to go bohemian, throw some coral or some kissing booth, cowgirl coral or kissing booth. But I think this is my colors. That's why I'm doing these lamps, these color. And I thought, man, I wonder if that Bohemian Blue and Walking on Water would make that color I want to use in my house. And I had already put a coat of Walking on Water and thought, let me just mess around here a little bit and see if those two work. So I mixed Bohemian Blue and Walking on Water together to match this. And this is my reaction when I seen how good it matched. I can't even, that was fake. It was so like, are you kidding me? It's almost perfect. Once this is sealed, you know it gets a little bit deeper and richer. I am a cosmetologist by trade, but I never felt like I was as good mixing wall colors as I was on hair. So anyway, there you go. Bohemian Blue and Walking on Water. You got to give it a try. I'm mad that I have one coat of Walking on Water without mixing it. So I'm going to do me some blendy action. Stay tuned.